Alright, if you are serious about content, whether it's vlogs, voiceovers, or just leveling up your sound, audio is everything. And today we are going to be looking at a mic that a lot of creators swear by. The Rode VideoMic GO II. Let's unbox it, test it, and see if it's really worth your money. So these are the only two things that come in the box, the mic and the cable. First impressions, it's very light, small and compact, and it feels a lot more premium than I expected. There you go. Nice little shotgun mic. It's very minimal, doesn't have any buttons, it's just plug in, hook it up and start recording. We do have a USB port on here, so you can hook it up to your phone or whatever and just speak from it like this. A computer, do audio for videos. It's a really nice feature. It's the perfect mic if you are the creator that doesn't want to just fiddle with settings the whole entire time. Just plug it in, hook it up, and you're ready to go. So you've got your little headphone jack on the side, plug that in, and then this will plug straight into your camera. Simple. On my camera, I have just got the small rig cage, and I will be fitting this into the cold shoe mount on the cage, slightly off-centered to the camera, so it's going to be on the side, which I really like. I will hook this up now, and then you guys can get a listen to what this sounds like at a distance of about a meter away from me, and then I will step outside and you guys can get an idea of what it sounds like outdoors. You are now hearing the audio directly from the mic. I love that it's so hassle-free. You don't have to charge this mic, you just plug it in, you're good to go. I made the mistake of plugging the mic into the headphone jack instead of the microphone jack and started recording this without realizing, and I was like, it sounds no different to my camera. So don't make that mistake. Make sure that you are plugging your little cable into the mic jack, not the headphone one. And another thing I must make known is that this is a shotgun mic, so it's very directional. Wherever you point the mic, that's where majority of the sound is going to be coming from. So you're not going to be hearing a lot of background noise. It's all going to be coming from wherever the mic is pointed. So right now you are hearing me probably crystal clear, and people could be talking in the background or behind, and you won't really pick up on it much. So because it's a very directional mic, it is perfect for vlogging because it's going to be picking up your voice and your voice only. It says online, users have reported effective voice capture at distances up to approximately 15 meters, for the Americans 50 feet, under favorable conditions. So that is really impressive. The fact that if it's in a very quiet environment, you will still be able to hear me clearly up to 15 meters away. So it is quite quiet right now, and my family is here, so I apologize if you do hear voices around. But I'm going to put this further back and then put it to the test, see if you guys can actually hear me from a distance like that. This is me at about 4 meters away, talking the exact same. It's a very quiet room, so I'm sure the sound would still be alright in conditions like this, at a distance like this. But I'm going to put it even further away and we can see what it's picking up from there. This is probably about 6 meters away now. And like I said, I have not raised my voice, I have not changed anything, so this is what it sounds like. Now I'm like, I don't know, maybe 8 meters away. Voice hasn't changed, and yeah, it'll be very interesting to see what you guys can hear from a distance like this. I'm holding the camera at an arm's length away now. We are going to head outside, just so we can get an idea of what it sounds like outdoors. It's not that noisy here. Wish we were in a bit of a noisier environment so you can see how the mic picks up my voice with a lot of background noise. I know that this mic can handle that very well. Yeah, I wish I was able to put that to the test, but I am at home right now, so I'm going to do what I can. I am going to start filming outside with the camera's mic, and then I will be switching to the Rode mic so we can hear the difference in an outdoor environment. So this is outdoors with the camera mic. You will pick up on a lot of traffic because I was recording earlier and I could pick up cars in the background, bikes going past, so you may be able to pick up on some of that stuff. But once I switch to the actual mic, you should only really hear me. So I'm going to be switching to the Rode mic now. You are now hearing the audio through the Rode mic. and you shouldn't really be hearing anything else besides me. I was interested in actually knowing if it would pick up my footsteps while walking, so I'm gonna like kind of scrape my feet a bit just to see if it picks that up. Okay, I'm gonna set you back there and then see what it's like at a distance away from the microphone outdoors. So this is me about 2 meters away. Yeah, there's no other way I can really put this mic to the test while I'm at home, but yeah, I'm very interested to see what it's like. I'm going to stand all the way back there and see if it can pick up my voice from there. It's about 4 or 5 meters away, 6 meters outdoors. I'll be very impressed if you guys can hear me from here, because like I said, we're outdoors and I'm pretty far away from the camera. So we're back indoors now, and another thing I wanted to test was speaking from behind the mic. So I'm gonna go and stand behind the mic and talk and see if you guys can hear me from there. I am now behind the camera, about 1 meter away. I'm gonna walk further back and see if you guys can still pick up the sound. I am about 4 meters away from the camera and I am directly behind it. And then I'm gonna walk to the right hand side of the camera. I'm walking around, just interested to see if it can pick up the sound, and coming closer to directly in front. I think I've done everything I possibly can to put this mic to the test, considering I'm at home. It'll be very interesting to see the outcome of this video, and if you guys have any questions about this mic or want me to put it to the test in different ways that I haven't done in this video, then let me know. If you are thinking of picking up this mic or already using this mic, let me know in the comments, give me some feedback, tell me your thoughts, and if this video helped you in any way, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe. I do appreciate it. That is all for now, so thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon.